Today we'll be installing my brand new rock sliders from Explore Overland. They are a fabrication off-road outfit up in upstate New York, and we'll be replacing my OEM running boards on my 2020 TRD Pro with these hefty rock sliders. So the running boards themselves are really more of a detriment than a help when it comes to off-roading. They hang too low, they're just attached to the rocker panels, and I see a lot of them get bent, get ripped off, and actually can cause damage to your vehicle when off-roading. Where these are attached to the frame, and they provide a lot of protection. Now on my third gen, I have a set similar to these, but they're actually welded on, and that was my only option on my third gen. For the fifth gen, we have the option to bolt these on, and that's what we'll do today. I like that. I like the ability to be able to take them off, so I think that's gonna be a benefit. If I want to take them off, I want to repaint them. So the first step is going to be taking off these OEM running boards. So I'll get my tools and my creeper, and we'll get under there and take these off. Okay, we're under the vehicle now. Try to get a better shot here. So there's just 3 brackets that are holding these OEM running boards on. Each of them have 2 bolts. So we'll take these off, and they should pop off pretty easy. So this is what it looks like with the OEM steps off. It already looks so much more off-road ready just having those off. So the bolt holes are already pre-drilled and pre-tapped, but nothing has been in those holes since this was built. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a tap through there and kind of clean out the threads. So we'll do that on the 10 holes that need to be used to attach the rock slider. I also forgot to mention that I'll have to remove these plastic covers that go over these frame holes so that the sliders sit nice and flush up against the frame. With these bolts started, I'm just gonna drive them in just a little bit, snug them up just a little bit more than I can, hand tight, to draw this in a little bit while I get the rest of them lined up. So what I have done is push the slider up as high as it would go. Made sure that there was no interference with the doors, which there isn't. I'm tightening these bolts up. I got some blue Loctite on them now, and I'll be just cinching them up and getting them good and tight. Got the driver's side done, so I spun the truck around and now we'll get the passenger side. Okay, so here is the passenger side all complete. Okay, that's it. The rock sliders are installed. Big improvement over the OEM running boards, that is for sure. These things are really going to hold up well. So very excited, happy to have them on. While adding rock sliders to your vehicle isn't cheap, the good news, it is easy. Much easier than it was on my 3rd Gen 4Runner. For the 5th Gen, there's a lot of bolt-on options, as I've demonstrated here. And the steps that I went through are going to pretty much apply to any bolt-on rock slider installation. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That'll incentivize me to create new content. Okay, thanks for watching.